Well, hello, it's John Neal here. It's Tuesday the 19th of November 2025, and as you can see I'm in Nuneaton opposite the Justice Centre. You might be able to hear demolition taking place, so that's what we're going to have a look at. Because if we swing around, this is where it's starting, and they're working. I forget what this building was. It was a government building, DHSS or something. I can't remember. Somebody will tell me and get me right. And they're knocking down that. Unfortunately, the library's got to come down as well. This was the old post office building, and all this is coming down, but not the pub. And there's a pub over there. Used to be the Pen and Wig, I think. That's going to stay. I did a video about this before, explaining that all this was going to come down to open out the whole of the area, starting at the top here with the Justice Centre, and then opening out and letting the river be a feature of the area as well. I have to say, they did say this was going to be started, the demolition was going to start in the summer. Well, I can tell you, it ain't the summer. They've missed that deadline, and there's lots of, changes of ideas and councils and so on, all sorts going on about what exactly is going to happen. Still not perfectly sure. Maybe we've just got to wait and see. So the purpose of this is really to have a look and watch the progress of the demolition as it takes place, since it has now finally started. As we go over the old post office building, you can see this curved building of old shops, which is going to be demolished. The one behind the green barriers, look, but not the pub on the left. And on the right, you can see the Debenhams building, quite large, and it's been worked on at the moment. And I don't think that's going to be demolished. And then on the left, look, I'll call it the Job Centre building. It's probably got a proper name. And I do believe it's still operational. And it's quite a striking building, really, right next to the river. So we'll see what happens to that as well. All right, I'm near the demolition that they're doing on the sort of left-hand side here. There's more to do over on the right of the post office building here, as was. And also, unfortunately, as I said, the library and the buildings over the road. But the perimeter boarding here, I think it's been commissioned by the council as well. But this, and you know me, I'm fond of a bit of artwork. And look at this. Quite magnificent. Aspire in Arts. Some really nice stuff here. Some local features, saints, statue of George Eliot, and what have you. Very, very good. I approve. And of course there's some great stuff in the middle of town, which I think I'll go over and I'll show you those as well. So let me just have a wander and have a look. And The joy of a monopod is that we can look over the fence. Monster. A dinosaur, yeah. That was quite amazing. It's like a huge monster of a dinosaur jaws. Anyway, that's over there. This used to be the Pen and Wig, wonderful building. Now it's called Pop World. Pop World. Oh my goodness. Anyway, the thing is, the authorities, in their great wisdom, have deemed that this is worth hanging on to. And yes, I'd like to agree. Not quite sure when it was built. I'd say early 20th century. But it stays. And then, as you can see, from this part of the building onwards, all this will be coming down. Well, moving along the road a little bit onto the corner of Bridge Street. Yeah, this pub, the Black Swan in Hand, is going to stay. Curious that they are hanging on to all the pubs, isn't it? The Conservative building, which is now the Saints Cafe at the bottom, that's going to stay. As for Debenhams, which is here on the right, not so sure. I think the word is now that they are actually going to convert it into some flats of some sort. But the Nationwide building here, I think, is certainly going to stay. I say certainly, I don't know. I'm fairly sure anyway. Right, let's make our way further up and I'll show you where this part of the demolition is going to actually finish on Bridge Street. So, up this way. I did say I'd show you some of the commissioned artwork in the middle of town, but let me just point this one out of a superb portrait of Larry Grayson. Shut that door. I've just stopped here on the bridge in Bridge Street because this is where the River Anchor is. Look. And it straddles, the Debenham building straddles the river, but it's just hidden away. And I think this is the point, is to try and open this all out. So all this building here, long stretch, this is all going to come down right as far as the green hoardings there, and the NatWest building will remain. You can see there's a join in the buildings, so that one's to stay, and everything down there will stay, but all this is going to come down. When it's done, it'll be great. So this is something of just a record of where we are at the moment. I'll do a few more later on. It's good to see the George Eliot Hotel pub is back in order, having been refurbished, and oh look, it's got a plywood window. Very nice.
Right, one pearl. Grapes, one pearl.
Let me just have a look down Abbey Street, where some of the construction is near completion. And very nice it looks too. In particular, look, the big hotel on the end here. While I'm down this way, I'll flag up the good people inside St John's Methodist Church, where they hold a coffee morning. So let's nip in there and have a chat with one or two people. I hope to, yes. I wonder if I can bring my bike in.
It's all good.
I would always urge people if they need to wear.
Outro. Ow. Well, this will be appropriate. I'll finish this little video. Just been chatting to a few folk about what's happening, and I'll be back in a few weeks and we'll see what progress is being made. Quite appropriate that you can hear some noises from machinery. I think that's a power spanner that's fixing the scaffolding. Sounds like it to me. So yeah, we'll see how they get on. So thanks for watching so far, and I promise I'll be back in a bit, and we'll see what progress has been made on the demolition and development of this end of town in Nuneaton. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye. Oh bugger, me hat come off.